No RTK, no setup, no limits. This is Anyonebot M1, world's first fully intelligent mower with vision and blade sensing precision. M1 sees and understands its surroundings through AI vision. That means no RTK and no signal issues. What's even more impressive, we gave the M1's blade a sense of touch. It feels the density of your lawn and adapts in real time. This boosts battery life and makes the blade incredibly safe. With AI grass type detection, the M1 precisely adjusts its cutting based on the type of grass. And to power all this intelligence, we equipped M1 with a 5-TOPS AI chip. It's powerful enough to support the next 10 years of AI upgrades. Setup takes just one press. That's it. From there, M1 automatically maps your lawn. Once mapping is done, you take full control. Right from the app, set mowing schedule and track progress from anywhere. And with OTA updates, M1 gets smarter over time. M1 uses AI vision and mapping to create smart, parallel mowing routes for maximum efficiency and perfect stripes. Compared to systematic mode, Smart Seek mode scans your lawn using vision and blade sensing to detect where trimming is needed most. It's ideal for complex backyards with lots of obstacles, and you can easily switch between both modes in the app. Trained on massive AI datasets, M1 can recognize most common obstacles and choose the best way around them. If your lawn is split into multiple zones, M1 can seamlessly work across all areas using markers. M1 gets up to 5 centimeters close to the edge, trimming right along walls, fences, and flower beds. And when it comes to narrow paths, it navigates tight spaces with ease. No bumps, no getting stuck. With powerful traction control, M1 can tackle inclines up to 45% without slipping. When it rains, M1 returns to charge automatically and gets back to work once the lawn is dry. Built with IPX6 waterproofing, M1 handles splashes, rain, and cleaning with no problem. When the battery runs low, M1 returns to recharge, then automatically resumes where it left off. This is a new standard for lawn care, built with vision, driven by AI. This is Anyonebot M1, smarter living for anyone.